Welcome. With this short video, I'll show you how I approach trading weekly options and the kind of trades I use in our community. If you want to explore this further, you can visit the website to learn more about our methodology, how we select trades, and the philosophy behind our approach. Most traders often struggle because they follow hype instead of a process. When people look for trading education, they often run into a familiar cast of voices. You'll see some former floor traders, brokers with only execution background, some social media traders sharing highlight wins, and career changers who become coaches. At first glance, it can look credible. But here's the issue many retail traders miss. Floor traders historically filled orders and captured spreads. That edge isn't available to retail. Brokers excel at execution, but they don't build your strategy. Social media often shows wins, not consistency. And some coaches spend more time marketing than trading. Following those paths rarely gives you an edge. Switching mentors over and over usually hurts consistency. Too often, you pay the price and learn little from your churn. Our approach is professional and systematic, structured, statistical, and disciplined. We focus on process, probability, risk control, and repeatable rules, not hype or gut feel. Our options trades and educational alerts are not hot picks. They're tested setups built on statistical logic. Each strategy follows a professional workflow, clear entries, defined risk, and management rules. Members stay because the guessing stops. They trade with structure and more confidence. Learn from more advanced traders in the community. Don't take my word for it. Preview it yourself. You can check results and review of our options trade alerts. They follow the same principles we teach, so you can see how the concepts play out in real trades with detailed educational examples. Sign up free to join the community today. Click the free link on the website to join. Spots are limited to maintain quality. Start learning with structure. Join our community and discover a better way of looking at options trading. Whether you're a complete beginner, building on what you already know, or ready to put your knowledge into practice, you'll find the support you need here. Learn, participate, and grow with us as you build a solid foundation in options trading. It's a free registration, no credit card, no hidden charges. Just your name and email to get started. After you register, you will be part of our community, share ideas, and learn from more advanced users. We are not brokers or dealers. Options trading involves risk and is not suitable for every investor. Please read the full disclaimer on our website.